Hey guys, Brett from B&B Dynamic Machining. So we had a little issue. One of the companies in the collaboration group outsourced 2 parts, and unfortunately they didn't come out according to specs. They weren't horrible, but unfortunately there was 1 or 2 features that were just out of spec and didn't pass tolerance for these guys. So a lot of times when I'm doing the wider parts and stuff like that, I'll go to the soft jaws and I'll cut a step in them. I just feel that supports the center a lot better rather than this wide gap over here. Over here, you know, the part wants to push down when you're facing. And also these particular parts, actually there were 3/8 wide, but they had a 5/16 deep step, almost half of the part on a 4x6 part. So it was pretty shallow. And again, that would have just bounced around being that thin in the center. So again, having the wide jaws really helps with that. I like the aluminum soft jaws. The other thing that the other company possibly could have done is possibly done a homemade jack and just put a little jacks under the part and help support the part. Now if I do that, I will put a little plastic shim between the jack and the part. That way you're not marking the part. But again, when you're trying to do wide parts, I definitely go to the aluminum jaws. And like I said, it just helps support the center, especially on these parts, like I said, because they had a very deep pocket, almost, you know, half the part. So you might want to think about that next time you're doing wide parts. Have a great day, everyone. Keep machining.